Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about essential PhoneGap plugins. These plugins are very basic and they are the much needed plugins of an application. Even though they might not be the core plugins like camera or vibration or location services, but they provide a direction to the functionality. Let's have a look at what are the essential plugins of PhoneGap. PhoneGap tries to keep the app as light as possible. Hence, PhoneGap comes with 0 plugins configured. Essential plugins are the much needed plugins, and hence I recommend you to install all these plugins when you're creating any kind of app. These plugins are useful if you're developing a big app or a small app, and they really guide the functionality of an application. There are 4 essential plugins according to my opinion: Device plugin, Network Information plugin, Status bar plugin, and Dialogs plugin. Now, the best way to understand what these plugins do is the business scenario or the use case that they can provide or they can help us in.